Hey, what's going on, good people? What up, what up? Yeah, so as you can clearly see, my trade of eight was bugging a little, but I am currently in the process of fixing it. So, all of our charts that we were using earlier, whoops, that's loud. All of the charts that we were using in yesterday's session aren't currently loaded. So, is that annoying? A little, but yeah, let me sort it out now. Reese is gonna go up. Hopefully, we can sort it out before yeah, before the session starts. You know what I mean? But yeah, welcome to stream. Yeah, man. I think that's pretty much that. So turn the music down a little. But yeah, I think that's gonna be that on that. There are a couple of other modules that I usually put on the side here, but it is gonna take a little while to get them on. And I mean, what we are, you know, session just about to start. We're like 30 seconds away from the session, so I just want to make sure that we do have what we need right now. You know what I mean? It is a bit annoying because, you know, I did have these drawn up before. I did have them drawn up, but alas, looks like it's gonna be that type of day today. It's all good. I'll put up the weekly levels as well, just that we, you know. But I think let's start with the daily. Yeah. Yeah, this is our. Is this from the right date? Yeah, it is. It's from the 13th. Does feel like I am late, but at the same time, yeah, I mean, at the same time, you know what I mean? I don't even know what I'm trying to say. No, but I mean, it does feel like I am a little late in doing this, but it's not like we're gonna take any trades right now anyway, so right. So we have time. And what can we see from what we just marked up? We did open in between. We did open right in between previous day value, right? There's previous day. This is a previous day volume profile, and we're within it. So, yeah, I think what we should do right now is let's just mark up our overnight session, right? Just so we have an idea as to where our what do they call him? Our overnight value is. You feel me? Let's change the color of this. Our delta's shifting low, so. Could we be in for a sell type of day? Don't know. This is also because I restarted my laptop, man. I ain't gonna lie. I shouldn't have done that. Or maybe I should. I don't know. We were fine just before the restart, so part of me kind of feels like I brought this on myself. So good still. Only 3 minutes into the session. We'll figure out what we're doing in just a little bit. But I think we have the levels that we need right now. Do need to switch this up as well. I don't want the dates in there, so I'll drag this across. There we go. Alright, we just need the time. Should be fine. But yeah, but now that we have the Globex stuff, let's put on the weekly as well. Because I know for sure we don't have that on the chart right now. So this is this week's value. This is previous week's value. So yeah, just doing the due diligence. Come on. You know, I haven't been using this. I haven't been using TraderVate for a very long time, but I have got the hang of it. It's not. Once you understand, yeah. Once you know where what is, you know, it kind of becomes a little simpler. I would have loved it if we had what do they call them? If we had labels. You know what I mean? But anyway, switching now just to purely RTH. Let's go save. Maybe we can make these smaller, right? Yeah. Let's make this 100 in size. Cool. That is annoying though. I don't get why Globex stuff gets hidden. I've seen this happen. This has happened twice now. Maybe it's because I drew. Maybe it's because I drew the Globex stuff on top of the volume profile. I don't know. Shouldn't be like that though. $564. Okay. Oh, okay. Cool. 564. 558.50. Okay, cool. Alright, yeah, so You know, let's switch off trade mode for now until we figure out what it is that we want to do, right? I think that's wise. But yeah, Delta's really picking up. So we can use the context of... Let's use the context of what we do have going on over here. Now this is our previous day value area low. Point of control, and yeah, and this is our value area high. All right, overnight value area high. Overnight point of control, overnight value area low. So we are above our globic stuff. Let's see what we would be targeting over here. Get this contract mode out of the way. I mean, profile value area high 601. So I mean, we could go for something like that. Yeah, my coffee's colder. Coffee's cold now, bro. So good though. Let me get myself on camera. So that you guys know I'm not a bot. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, I do think previous day value area high. A break of previous day value area high. 2601. It's not a bad move in any sense, really. Just do need to watch it, right? You need to watch just to see, you know. Just because the level's there doesn't mean that it's gonna hold. And maybe also you try to not take any trades from points of control. So try to not trade from the previous day point of control or from the globic stuff, you know what I mean? Here we go. If we do get a break of what is this, 593.50? If we get a break of 593.50, we could try a break and retest. You know, 1 second. Someone's cooking in the kitchen. God, I'm cooking on stream too. Yeah, I guess key level 570.25. Wouldn't be too bad of a trade, really, to be honest. Yeah, so kind of how I'm looking at it right now is I'm thinking we either do we either do a retest of previous day value up, or we do a break and we come to the value area low over here. You know, so break from here from 551, 552s, etc. Target 517s, or yeah, or we break 589s, 591s, whatever. Target 601, something like that. If it will, you know, that's if it will hold. I do not have any context of the there you go. The weeklies. Boy. Yeah, we are currently at previous week point of control, so 580. Yep. Deep. We can wait. I don't have to jump in right now. If we can retest this, you know what? I would go for a retest of this. Buy limit around about 570. I feel like that would be a better trade. Yeah, one sec, please. What up, what up, what up? yeah, I think a retest of that level. Unless we break completely through it. Now I think from point of control, the point of control is overlapping with the value area low. So not really right now, but it was at some point. So that could be an entry at value area low. Get that fade, but the point of control is right there. So I mean, I can wait for it. That will be banking on the fact that buyers will step in and hold that up. You know, our stop is like right before the point of control anyway. So I mean the value area low of the previous day. So if it does want to hold, that's if it does want to come. That's if it does come to our level. Yeah, I think I'll wait for that. We also managed to get a second account, so that's positive. Yeah, look, I'm even frozen on stream because I'm gonna take the camera off. Sorry. Camera's off. Sorry. I know, you keep breathing. You're fine. Yeah, so how I'm breaking this down and how I'm kind of reading this is that from previous day, right? So this is where we closed yesterday, and then from the close, right? We did have trade below, which was pushed up, right? So because these are overnight levels, the blue lines, right? So overnight value area high, overnight point of control, overnight value area low. All right, so in the morning session or the evening session, depending on where you are, we did push price up. You know, we pushed price up. So, and where price was pushed up to was above the point of control, so above yesterday's fair value. So yesterday's fair value, the point of control is where I have my entry. You know, I could be really wrong about it, but not really wrong about it, but I mean, we could also very easily fill this gap, you know, which would not be ideal, of course. But yeah, let's just wait and see. if we do get a break above these highs, then the next thing I'll be watching, of course, will be the previous day value area high, just to see if we do actually want to break out of that. We do want to break out of this level and then target the that value area high from the composite volume profile as I've drawn out. Bless me. There is something I've been hearing a lot about, which is the opening range break, which is the first 30 minutes on either side. So apparently whichever side breaks first is going to determine the direction, so kind of in media ray, I do think this right now, just from the levels which are closest to us, I do think this is probably our best entry, given the levels as well that are in between our entry and our stop. So we'll play it out. We'll let it play out and see what happens, as I said. Alternatively, we could have done an entry on the view app. It's always a good option. But yeah, we'll see. Even an entry from here to the other side still would be a pretty good trade, man. Of course, to the other side of it would even be better. Sell orders 580, 75, 10. It's a size of 10. Again, I do believe this is at the point of control. Let's just confirm. Let's take off trade mode for now. Yeah, I did say we managed to get a second account, so we're back to that rotation we were doing with the funded next account. So funded next accounts, excuse me. This feels very yesterday like, you know what I mean? Because yesterday we were kind of rotating like this, and then someone decided to say something about the Strait of Hormuz, and then we just dumped, and then it went back up. It would be crazy if it does that 3 days in a row. Kind of the market that we're dealing with, though. What can you do? What can you actually do? But yeah, I think if this side breaks first, then we could try along from we could wait for a retest of 586. That's the value area high. I'm not really a fan of placing trades from developing volume levels. That is kind of showing some weakness though. Not really breaking these highs. It's not entirely encouraging for this up move. I don't think there's news today, is there? Let's just double check. On a Tuesday? Usually isn't any big news things on Tuesday. Oh shit. Fed, someone is speaking in a few seconds. I'm gonna take that off. I think check that out. Fed chair wash testimony. Literally in 10 seconds. So maybe you handle your business first, sir, and then we will see what we want to do. I don't think you'd like to have this as a red folder news. So much for my usually don't have any news events. Well, here we go. Just timing this on the other side of this candle open. Well, on the other side of VWAP, really. You know what? Let's go with the original idea. We'll go from the point of control. You son of a bitch. So 570, 570 is the entry still. Here we go. Alright, so that's us inside the trade now. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. Need to see more 572s, 574s, you know, over on this side on the time and sales. And yeah, I feel like if we can clear 577, should be fine. If not, we might have just jumped into that a little too hastily, but I do think the thesis holds. If the trade loses, it loses. Their break sells below 574s, but no effort. That's good for us. Even at 576, we see lots of reds, but prices are moving low. That's okay for us, you know. We just don't want to see 560s, you know, 569s, 568s. So this is the volume profile, the current volume profiles, value area low, you know. A break outside of a break below our entry would be targeting the low of the day, and then if that falls, then it's just gonna collapse, I think, because then you have what we have there is we have that gap fill, you know. So we're just looking to see if the buyers who brought this up, right, can step in and protect this level above the overnight value area high, you know, basically. Unless we get like a Trump tweet or something, then and wop wop. Fair value seems to be being protected right now. $569.75, 570 stepping in. I'm just watching the DOM over here to see if there are any big numbers stepping in, especially below our entry. So like 560s, you know. There we go. We're at 10 orders at 570.50. So a huge battle going on here. Ooh, that's pretty significant. That's 58. I was at 569, so it's either getting out or they're just reloading. There you go. If we can close inside value, we're good. I want to see us rotate to the other side of it though. 573s popping up here, and our CVD is also popping. It's also going up, so that's 20 at what, 572.25. So right at the value area low. Would like to see the CVD grow though. Check on the composite where we at with it. I mean, nothing really significant right now, right here. You know, was thinking 602s. It is way off though, but back at the 569s. Remember the 14th of July. $572s again. Can break above the view app, that would be fantastic. Come on, you buyers. 575s maybe. Nope. Even did a 567 there, back in the 567. Here we go. So this is going to determine it. Like, do we sweep these? Do we sweep liquidity here and then go back up, or does this just flush? You know, this is overnight value area high as well. So will that hold or will it not? I guess here's a test of it. Yeah, apparently not, eh? Overnight point of control. I literally try to hide my stop just below the previous day value area low. That's what that was. But yeah, if you're gonna do something, this is a time for you to do that something. My stop is below the previous day value area low now, and also below the close of yesterday. So, you know. Here you go. Overnight value area high. Does it hold? Does it not? Nothing from the CBD. No support at all. no buy volume at all. But I mean, the buys seem to be stepping in on the CBD, you know, just not with result just as of yet. So 564 print there, you know, just need the CBD to show a little effort. Here we go, 565s. $568s maybe. Yeah, the print we're gonna get at 570. The prints we're gonna get at 570s is gonna be important. Like, we're gonna see a lot of red, or we're gonna see a lot of greens. Okay, here we go. Greens, reds, greens. Oh, 572s. I'm telling you. Ooh, 573s. Lots of them. CVD has picked up though. Just need to maintain this above the point of control, and I think we should be home and dry. Oh. Market is currently in fearful. I don't blame y'all. Nice. We can hold above the VWAP, that'll be fantastic. Yeah, I'll move my stop somewhere. Maybe just below the overnight value area high. I don't like that anymore. Let's move it back to the point of control. I mean, to the value area low. Crazier things have happened. 579.25. What is this area? 580. I feel like 580 is where we have our point of control, is it not? Our previous week. Yeah, previous week point of control. Yeah, that's gonna be problematic. I guess it does depend on how we close this candle, this 30-minute 15-minute candle, my bad. Switch back to the 1 minute though. Need a break above 580s because we are currently below the previous week point of control, so that is it a problem? Yes, it is. Guess let's give it a shot at 602. We'll just trail our stop to the previous we'll trail our stop here, right? We'll put our stop there if we do get up there. Secure whatever the hell that is. VWAP, 4 minutes until initial balance is set. I do think if we can break above, if we can break and close above the previous week point of control, which is 580, you know, do need to close above 580. If we can do that, then I'll move. Yeah, I think then I'll move my stop to the overnight value area high. You know, but 580, close above 580, we're all good. Yeah, and this was like right here for us. We could have actually taken that. Nice little $200 scalp. Trying to not be in the habit of being on stream forever. You know what I'm saying? Lots of red prints here. 574.25. $573s. $573s again. But these aren't coming with any reward for their effort, you know what I mean? Or did I speak too soon? Okay, that's the point of control. The point of control is also shifted lower, so usually a good thing for an upside move. Usually. It's when the point of control is higher. That's when I usually expect. That's when that's when I've seen more of a rotation lower. So point of control moves lower, price goes higher. Point of control moves higher, price goes lower. So if we do get a shift of the point of control around about now, whenever, if it goes higher, then for sure I'd put my stop behind that, because I wouldn't want price to go back there. Come on, you buyers, step in. What's actually the roadblock here is it's that previous week point of control. But as I said, if we can close above 580, close above 580, we should be good, man. We should be good. And I mean, it's not like they're not trying. Here we go again, 580. Nope. One more go at it. $577s again, 578s, 579s. Come on, like right there. 580, let's go. 580. Even a 581, you should be trying. There we go, 581. And now we just need a close. Come on, don't let go of it now. 581s. Initial balance is officially set, so I mean, we could watch this. Horizontal line. All right, let's watch that. That's our initial balance high. Let's not lose any money today. Okay, hold on. We'll revisit that in just a little bit. my market close from here? Okay, cool. Just want to make sure just in case I need to make a hasty exit. Oh. Autofield boss. Swish. Oh man, fantastic trade. Jeez. Dubs in the chat. Was that like right to the... Yeah man, fantastic trade. Well done, boys. Let's pull up the stats. Let's see what we did. Yeah, I mean, did get a little nervy, but we managed to pull it off. So, super solid trade. Yeah. One second. Said we're done in there you go. Well, that's annoying. Yeah, pretty solid trade, man. I mean, I think overall, what can I say? Not gonna call it luck because we held the levels that we wanted to, you know. I took the trade from the initial level that we wanted to take it from. Previous day point of control through to what was, I believe that was previous week value area high. So I mean, yeah, little accelerator to get us there, but a valid trade all the same. figure out where show trade lines. Yeah, okay, cool. Just want to make sure I can just want to make sure that this is on there. There we go. And plus fills. But yeah, I mean, what did I want to say? My mind's all over the place. 1 second. I mean, since I am here, might as well fix this up, right? But I still remember how to. And then I can and then I can talk you guys through what I did with this. Wow. Yeah, you know what? I think what I'll do is I'll keep a time in sales. To be honest, I think I'll just keep a time in sales top left corner, and yeah, that's gonna be that on that. Because I was thinking if you would want to see the other ticker symbols for everything else, and I'm just kind of thinking, well, it's kind of you know, it's not really, not that it's pointless, but I mean it is kind of pointless, because why would you want to see what gold is doing when we're trading the ES, you get me? So figure out how to scale this in so that it doesn't look wonky. Try to fix one thing, end up messing up everything. I want to say this one's on me, but it really kind of is not. I don't know. With these platforms, man, there's always like these little. I don't want to call them kinks, right? But there are certain things that you just kind of need to know to do and know not to do. You know, that is annoying. You know, it would be better. I think it would be better if they just it was just kind of like a plug and play type of thing, you know. If I add another chart. Cool. I mean, it doesn't look great, but it doesn't look all that terrible, does it? You know what? That doesn't work. I'll figure it out off stream. It's worth giving it a shot, though. I guess what we can do right now is just talk about like the trade before I get off stream. Yeah. So again, what I did is what I was looking at is I did look at the previous day volume profile, right, and just the values. And so because we opened inside of previous day volume, my next thing was, well, since we did open inside the previous day's volume, where was the overnight transactions? Where did the overnight value get formed or created, right? And so that this is our, let's switch it off. We'll just switch to a 24-hour now and have a look at the volume profile as well. Let's make this a 15-minute. Cool. So again, what's our context? Our context is these red lines is our previous day value, right? So we did fall through it. This is our this is our overnight value, right? So we were beneath the point of control, and then at some point we did form our value area low to our Globex session, and then we came above it, and that was coming above the previous day value area low. So from these participants, from the Globex participants, this was an indicator that, you know, the participants, at least who took the auction from yesterday's value to today, didn't want to participate above the previous day value area low, right? And so from that, like having the context of that now, so having the context of that and now looking at today's value, right? Seeing that gap, and I did identify it. I did mention that, like, you know, I did mention that there was a chance that we could fill this gap, but the fact that the Globex participants pushed this auction up, right? And how do we deduce this? How do we come to this fantastic conclusion that how do I conclude that the Globex participants pushed it up? Well, because the value area low is over here and it's below previous day value, right? And then again, the point of control is also above previous day value. So the Globex participants found fair value above yesterday's discount, right? So within the auction, the only real entry that I had, to be honest, was the previous day point of control. So took it from there. Our stop initially had gone to the previous day value area low, and then when we started moving low, I did protect it. I just thought, like, you know, maybe we could get a touch, and I didn't want to get wicked out of a trade that I figured was valid. And I mean, had we taken it from the overnight point of control, which has been my trade for a very long time, I think we could have had we would have had an even better exit. I think that could have been 1,000, but that's fine. We'll take that. So yeah, so it's this previous day point of control to the previous week value area high, which again, just for so right to the level, you know, right to the level. So yeah, so that's gonna be that, and total. Yeah, so that's what we did. So it's just pretty big trade. I think that's gonna give me a little leeway now to just kind of go at it, I guess, a little more. I don't want to say softer because I'm not gonna like slow down, but I can rush it a little less. Not that I rush this one, but you know, we do have quite a significant buffer, and that's 3 days in a row now. So pretty chuffed about that. So good. That's gonna be the stream for me. I'll figure out what to put on the side panel. It does look awkward, I'm not gonna lie. Alternatively, I could make this. I could make the, what do you call it? The window bigger, you know, and like fill it up. But problem for another time, problem for another Indigo. But for me, that's gonna be it. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, same time, 9:15 EST. Yeah.